Freelancing is one of the most rewarding paths for people who want freedom, flexibility, and a diverse range of projects. But starting on platforms like Upwork can feel overwhelming. Many freelancers and students jump in only to struggle to get their first client. The competition is fierce, but with the right strategies, anyone can break through. In this video, I'm going to share the exact steps that helped me and many others land our first client on Upwork. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that will skyrocket your chances of success. One of the most common mistakes freelancers make is diving into Upwork without clearly identifying their skills or setting goals. When you're trying to be good at everything, you often get lost in the noise. Ask yourself, what are my strongest skills? Whether it's graphic design, writing, or web development, define your niche. Once you've identified your strength, set clear goals for what you want to achieve, whether it's landing 5 jobs in the next 2 months or hitting a financial target like $1,000 in a month. Having a direction gives you a roadmap. Once you identified your strength, your Upwork profile is your storefront. It's your most powerful tool. Your headline and overview are the first thing the client sees. Make sure they're clear and direct. For example, instead of just saying web developer, say expert web developer, specializing in user-friendly, SEO-optimized websites. Your headline should reflect the value you bring. Your profile picture is equally important. Choose a professional yet approachable image. Clients want to work with someone who looks reliable. Now, let's talk SEO. Upwork's algorithm relies heavily on keywords. Use relevant keywords throughout your profile, but do it naturally. Content writer, SEO expert, graphic designer, whatever your skills are, just don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing can make you seem inauthentic and might hurt your ratings. Also, don't forget off-page SEO. Promote your Upwork profile on social media, personal blogs, or even by sharing your profile link in relevant communities. The more external traffic you generate, the more visibility you get, and the algorithm rewards that. Next, let's talk about proposals, because a generic proposal won't cut it anymore. Always personalize each proposal. First, read the job post carefully. Understand the client's problem, then offer specific solutions. Instead of saying, I can help with your website, say, I can create a mobile, responsive, SEO-optimized website that drives traffic and conversions. Make sure to highlight relevant experience. Even if you are new to Upwork, showcase any portfolio work or past project that demonstrate your skills. If you want to know exactly how I write Upwork proposals that land clients, check out my video, How to Write an Upwork Proposal Cover Letter with No Experience. I dive deep into my personal strategies for winning clients, even as a beginner. And by the way, if you are finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more freelancing tips. Once you start getting jobs, building trust becomes your top priority. On Upwork, reviews and testimonials are gold. A single positive review can make all the difference. For your first few jobs, focus on over-delivering. Go above and beyond to impress your clients. After a project, don't be afraid to ask for feedback politely. Something like, I'd really appreciate any feedback you can provide on the project. It helped me build that positive momentum. Over time, those reviews compound and build your credibility. If you ever receive constructive criticism, take it in stride and use it to improve your services. Networking is an underutilized strategy on Upwork. Don't just apply for jobs, engage in forums. Participate in Upwork community discussions and attend Upwork-hosted events. This increases your visibility to potential clients and keep you informed about trends in your niche. The more you are involved, the more opportunities you unlock. Freelancing is an evolving industry. To stay competitive, you need to keep improving. Upwork offers skill tests. Take them to boost your credibility. You can also invest in learning, whether it's taking online courses or staying updated with industry trends. The best freelancers are always learning and growing. One of the biggest challenges new freelancers face is patience. You might send out dozens of proposals without hearing back, and that's okay. It's just part of the process. The key is persistence. Don't get discouraged by rejections. Analyze what works and what doesn't. Refine your approach and keep going. Success on Upwork takes resilience and time. Let's talk about client communication. Fully understand the client's need before anything else. Ask relevant questions to ensure clarity and that you're on the same page. Another great strategy is offering a free sample or mock-up. It shows your capability without the client needing to commit right away. Also, when discussing the project, focus on idea exchange. Share your insight on how to improve the project. This not only shows creativity, but builds rapport. Lastly, always discuss money at the end. By that time, you've already proven your value and clients are more comfortable discussing payment. The freelance journey on Upwork is not easy, but with the right approach, it's incredibly rewarding. If you're just starting, remember to focus on your skills, build a strong profile, and be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and strategy, you can build a thriving freelancing career. And before you go, remember I promised a bonus tip. If you want to significantly boost your profile visibility, try creating an Upwork specialization profile. It allows you to highlight specific niches and target clients more effectively. Also, I've created an Upwork profile optimization checklist to help you craft a standout profile that attracts clients. You can download it by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more freelancing tips. Comment below if you have any questions or need advice on Upwork journey. Until the next video, be freelantastic.